Hello guys, this is me, and today we have another unboxing. Today we have the Zenfone 2 from Asus, and we are going to make this unboxing. I just got it today from Gearbest, so let's check it out. It comes in a beautiful box. Have everything, the specifications right here. Battery, 4G LTE. It comes with Wi-Fi, FHID, Bluetooth 4.0, and the camera. So it's in a box. It comes with all these languages: Spanish, English, Russian, and more. So here I'm just gonna pull this thing right here. Going to pull this. Sorry, I have my other hand busy holding the phone. I had to do it with my feet. Well, it's okay. So we have the phone right here with all the specifications. It comes with Zen UI. Is the personalization from Android. It also comes with the Pixel Master and the IPS screen. Android 5.0, Intel processor, dual SIM, and 4G LTE. The box also comes with the right here, and it comes with the manuals in Chinese and English. It comes with a charger with the Asus. It's a very small charger, and it comes with a cable, micro USB cable. That's it, no more. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna put the manuals back in right here, and we're going to check the phone. It comes with this plastic. It's very basic. It comes with the camera. I think it's 13 megapixels. This button right here is volume down, volume up, the flash LED, and that's it. Micro USB port, microphone, the button right here, and the 3.5 jack for the headphones, and that's it. This is the Asus Zenfone 2. Okay, see you next time.